To switch the glass from clear to frosted, you'll need to pair the wireless remote with the SGC transformer. It's very easy. Here are simple steps to follow. What you'll need: SGC Universal Transformer, power cord, and an SGC wireless remote. Install the 12-volt A23 battery in your remote. Now connect the transformer to power. Simultaneously press the power and on buttons on the remote. When the green power light on the transformer turns off, the pairing is complete. You can switch your smart glass between transparent and frosted modes using the middle power button on the remote. The dedicated on and off buttons are useful if you have multiple smart glass zones and want to ensure they all switch to the desired state simultaneously. Use the middle power button to toggle between transparent and frosted modes. Use the on button to set all zones to transparent. Use the off button to frost all zones. Here's a pro tip. Keep your smart glass frosted when not in use, or after office hours. This will extend its lifespan. This simple habit will help you enjoy the full benefits of your SGC Smart Glass system for years to come. Want to become a smart glass and film expert? Visit the Smart Glass Country YouTube channel for more in-depth videos and expert tips.